So if you're a roofing contractor out there, you never know what you're going to find on a roof until you start doing the takeoff. In this video, I'm going to show you a crazy thing that we just found on this project. We actually have Cedar Shakes covered up by Decra. Let's go take a look. So guys, if you've been following me over the last week, you know that I'm here in Denver, Colorado with Skyguard. Skyguard's owned by a couple of my buddies I actually served in the military with, and I was fortunate enough for them to come out and let me shoot this video. So anyway, I want to show you exactly where all this Decra is installed on this project. So right around the edges and the entire roof on the apron, you have Decra installed, and you also have Decra installed on the big main part of the ridge of this roof. Now, what's crazy about this is every piece of Decra has Cedar Shake underneath. So on this project, they have 400 squares, what they thought was just Decra to remove, and also they've got to remove the Cedar Shakes as well. Let's go take a closer look at what the Cedar Shakes actually look like. Okay, as you can see here, you have our stone-coated steel shingles or our Decra that's installed here, and then actually these are installed right at the top of what's called batten boards. And then here you have your Cedar Shakes. Now guys, this is going to take forever to take off, and if you look right through down here, there are Cedar Shakes with the Decra as far as I can see. So this is actually adding a whole month to their project just because they didn't know this was here until they actually started with production of the roof. So a lot of extra work, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the crazy things that you're going to find as you start tearing these roofs off. Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you can, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, here's my official invitation for you to subscribe. I think we have a lot of great information for you contractors out there. And as always, at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.